Choosing the best camera for food photography in 2026 can make the difference between an ordinary meal photo and an image that looks ready for a restaurant campaign, cookbook, or premium social media post. Food photography demands accurate color, fine texture, strong dynamic range, dependable autofocus, and enough resolution for detailed editing and cropping. In this video, we have selected 7 cameras for different budgets and experience levels, from compact beginner models to high-resolution professional bodies. We will compare image quality, handling, stabilization, low-light performance, lens flexibility, and video features, helping food bloggers, restaurant owners, content creators, and commercial photographers choose the right camera for their workflow. Number 7. Canon EOS R50. Best budget camera for food photography in 2026. The Canon EOS R50 is an excellent entry point for anyone upgrading from a smartphone and learning professional food photography without investing in an expensive full-frame system. Its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor and Digic X processor produce clean, detailed images with more natural depth and background separation than a typical phone camera. This makes it useful for recipe blogs, bakery products, cafe menus, and social media content. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 provides dependable subject detection and covers a wide area of the frame, helping the camera focus accurately on plates, ingredients, hands, and close-up details. The fully articulating touchscreen is particularly helpful when shooting overhead flat lays or placing the camera at low table level. Built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth also make it easy to transfer images quickly for mobile editing and posting. For video creators, the R50 records oversampled 4K video and includes a close-up demo mode that can shift focus quickly to an item held near the lens. The main limitations are the lack of in-body stabilization and the smaller control layout. However, paired with a bright prime or macro lens, the Canon EOS R50 offers strong color, easy operation, and very good value for beginner food photographers. Number 6. Sony Alpha 6700. Best compact hybrid camera for food creators. The Sony Alpha 6700 is a compact but highly capable hybrid camera for food photographers who also create reels, cooking videos, and YouTube content. Its 26-megapixel APS-C back-illuminated sensor delivers strong detail, wide dynamic range, and consistent color, while keeping the body small enough for home kitchens, restaurants, and travel assignments. Sony's Bionz XR processor also provides fast operation and responsive autofocus. A major advantage is its dedicated AI processing unit, which improves subject recognition and tracking. Although food is usually stationary, accurate autofocus is still valuable when filming preparation, pouring sauces, cutting ingredients, or capturing chefs at work. 5-axis in-body stabilization helps when shooting handheld in dim restaurant interiors, and the articulating touchscreen supports overhead compositions and difficult camera angles. The camera records high-quality 4K video, including 4K 60p and higher frame rate options, making it a strong choice for slow-motion cooking shots and polished food commercials. Sony's large E-mount lens ecosystem provides affordable primes, macro lenses, and standard zooms from both Sony and third-party manufacturers. The smaller APS-C sensor cannot match the shallow depth of field or high ISO flexibility of the best full-frame models, but the Alpha 6700 remains one of the most versatile compact choices for creators who need professional-looking food photos and videos from one camera. Number 5. Nikon Z6 III. Best low-light camera for restaurant food photography. The Nikon Z6 III is a strong, full-frame option for food photographers who often work in restaurants, kitchens, events, or other environments where available light is limited. Its 24.5 megapixel partially stacked full-frame sensor provides clean files, smooth tonal transitions, and attractive background separation. While it does not offer the extreme resolution of the cameras at the top of this list, its files are detailed enough for websites, menus, advertising, social media, and many professional print applications. Nikon's X-Speed 7 processor provides quick response, reliable autofocus, and excellent low-light focusing. This helps when photographing dishes under warm restaurant lighting or capturing chefs during active preparation. The camera's 5-axis stabilization can provide significant assistance with handheld shots, while the bright electronic viewfinder and fully articulating display make composition easier from overhead and table-level positions. Flexible picture control options are useful for creators who want a consistent visual style, and Nikon's Z-mount lens range includes sharp standard zooms, bright primes, and dedicated macro lenses. Even so, it is an excellent choice for photographers prioritizing low-light performance, reliable handling, and hybrid flexibility. Number 4. Fujifilm X-T5. Best camera for food color and high-resolution APS-C detail. The Fujifilm X-T5 is one of the most appealing cameras for food photographers who value rich color, tactile controls, and high resolution in a compact system. Its 40.2 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 5HR APS-C sensor captures fine textures in bread, fruit, desserts, herbs, and plated dishes, providing enough detail for substantial cropping and high-quality prints. Fujifilm's color science and film simulation modes also make it easier to create attractive JPEGs with a distinctive look before extensive editing. The camera also records 6.2K video for creators who need detailed cooking footage. Its autofocus is not the main reason to buy it, and full-frame cameras offer more low-light flexibility. But the X-T5 delivers an exceptional combination of detail, color, portability, and creative control. Number 3. Sony Alpha 7 IV. Best all-round full-frame camera for food photography. The Sony Alpha 7 IV earns its place as one of the best all-round cameras for food photography because it balances resolution, dynamic range, autofocus, video performance, and lens selection. Its 33-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated sensor provides noticeably more cropping freedom than most 24-megapixel cameras while maintaining strong low-light quality and smooth tonal detail. This makes it suitable for food bloggers, restaurant campaigns, recipe books, commercial product work, and professional content creation. Sony's autofocus system covers a large portion of the frame and responds quickly when photographing chefs, hands, ingredients, and moving preparation scenes. 5-axis stabilization helps during handheld shooting, while the fully articulating screen supports overhead flat lays, vertical content, and low-angle compositions. The camera's strong dynamic range is especially useful when a scene contains bright highlights on glassware, reflective plates, and deep shadows around the food. The E-mount ecosystem is another major advantage. Photographers can choose from many macro lenses, bright primes, standard zooms, and third-party options at different price levels. The Alpha 7 IV also produces high-quality 4K footage for recipe videos and restaurant promotions. Its menus and extensive customization may initially feel complex, and 4K 60p uses a cropped area, but these are manageable compromises. Overall, the Sony Alpha 7 IV is a dependable full-frame workhorse for photographers who want one camera to handle food stills, video, portraits, and general commercial assignments. Number 2. Nikon Z8. Best professional hybrid camera for commercial food photography. The Nikon Z8 is a professional-grade camera designed for photographers who need high-resolution, robust construction, fast operation, and advanced video capabilities in one body. Its 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor records excellent detail in textures, garnishes, packaging, table settings, and reflective surfaces. The resolution provides substantial flexibility for retouching, cropping, magazine layouts, large prints, and advertising campaigns. For studio food photography, the Z8 offers excellent control and a dependable professional workflow. Its 4-axis tilting touchscreen is convenient for horizontal and vertical compositions, including overhead flat lays. In-body stabilization helps with handheld detail shots, while dual card slots provide additional security during paid assignments. The camera's electronic shutter avoids mechanical vibration, which can be useful when working from a tripod at slower shutter speeds. Nikon's autofocus and processing system are extremely responsive, making the Z8 equally effective for static dishes, chefs in motion, restaurant events, and behind-the-scenes content. The Z-mount system includes high-quality macro lenses and sharp professional zooms that suit commercial food work. Video performance is also exceptional, with high-resolution recording options for premium campaigns and cooking productions. The disadvantages are its larger body, higher cost, and more demanding storage requirements. For creators who only produce online content, it may be excessive, but for professional photographers and production teams, the Nikon Z8 is a powerful and highly reliable investment. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 RV. Best camera for food photography in 2026. Our number one choice for the best camera for food photography in 2026 is the Sony Alpha 7 RV. Its 61-megapixel full-frame back-illuminated sensor captures exceptional detail, making it ideal for professional food advertising, packaging, cookbooks, editorial spreads, and large-format prints. Small textures such as sugar crystals, sauce droplets, herbs, pastry layers, and surface detail remain clearly defined, while the high resolution gives retouchers extensive freedom to crop and refine the final composition. The camera combines this resolution with a powerful Bionz XR processor and an AI-based autofocus system. For food photography, the main benefit is consistent focus accuracy when working at shallow depth of field or switching between static dishes and active kitchen scenes. The 4-axis multi-angle screen is particularly useful for overhead flat lays and low table-level compositions, while the upgraded 5-axis stabilization helps reduce camera shake during handheld work. Sony's E-mount lens selection includes excellent macro lenses, high-resolution prime lenses, and versatile zooms for every style of food photography. Selectable RAW file sizes also allow photographers to reduce file size when the full 61 megapixels are unnecessary. The main drawbacks are the premium price, large files, and need for powerful storage and editing hardware. However, for photographers who prioritize maximum detail, flexible composition, dependable performance, and a mature professional system, the Sony Alpha 7 RV is the strongest overall choice. For beginners and social media creators, the Canon EOS R50 is the easiest and most affordable starting point. The Sony Alpha 6700 adds stabilization, stronger video, and a wider lens ecosystem in a compact body. The Nikon Z6 III is the better option for restaurant interiors and low-light environments, while the Fujifilm X-T5 stands out for color, high-resolution APS-C detail, and its useful pixel shift mode. The Sony Alpha 7 IV is the best balanced full-frame choice for photographers who need both professional stills and video. Commercial teams that require speed, durability, and advanced hybrid features should consider the Nikon Z8. But for the highest level of detail and editing flexibility, the Sony Alpha 7 RV is our top recommendation for food photography in 2026. Remember that lighting, styling, and the right macro or standard lens are just as important as the camera body. Check the Amazon links below for current availability and subscribe for more camera reviews and buying guides.